is that time of year in Memphis, spring, finally. However, for people with spring allergies, and that includes myself, I've been fighting it the last week, it's not just blooming season, it's sneezing season. We spoke with a nurse practitioner with St. Francis about allergies, who explains what you can do to avoid the sniffles.
Spring allergies are mostly caused by pollen, grass, and mold spores. As we inhale these allergens, the immune system can kind of overreact to them and cause symptoms such as itchy eyes, watery eyes, runny nose, sometimes sneezing. Here in Memphis, unfortunately, we live in one of the worst cities for those particular allergies. Something you can do to help prevent those spring allergies, especially if you have a lot of outdoor chores to do, mowing the grass, or you're going to spend a day outside, is wearing an N95 mask. It prevents most of those particles from being breathed in. Some things you can do in your home, you can get air filters with purifiers and HEPA filters, so you can do those inside your home. As far as outdoors, checking the pollen counts in the morning before you spend a day outside. Definitely not hanging your clothes out to dry. The pollen and those mold spores can actually stick to the clothing. If you have spent a day outside, make sure you leave your shoes outside in the garage and leave your clothes in the laundry room. And make sure you shower before bed so you don't have all those allergens still on you. Symptoms such as fever, if you have a lot of people in your home with the same symptoms, that kind of leans more towards possibly being a viral syndrome or bacterial syndrome, so you might want to talk to your doctor about that. If you do just have those classic sneezing, itchy eyes, runny eyes, talk with your doctor about different medications such as antihistamines, nasal decongestants, nasal sprays. Those are all good options. Really, the most effective way is to, if you're going to spend a long day outside, to wear that mask. Next, we have summer and fall coming up with the ragweed and various other allergens.